Hi. In this video, we are going to see the professor associate as well as assistant professor vacancies from the two different state universities. So even though they are the state universities, you may apply from any state all over the India. And the salary is 57,700 rupees per month, and it is assistant professor level 10 salary level. So after watching this video, please share this one to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those departments. It will be very much helpful to them. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your subjects in the comment section. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. To get all my next videos as a notifications to your devices, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And please watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding the two different state universities recruitment notifications. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement to the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET Electronic Science examination in the month of October 2021. Here the Unacademy is providing the paper 1 and paper 2 complete course as well as the MCQ course and the class PDFs you can download, test series and the doubt clearing sessions. Okay, so you may take the subscription plan. That the link I kept in the description box of this video and the details I kept at the end of this video. And you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. And if you want to contact me personally regarding this one, in the description box the Telegram link is also kept, so you may find out, guys. Coming to the present content of the video, out of the two different state universities, the first one we are going to see is Veer Bahadur Singh University from Jaunpur. So here the vacancies advertisement is released, guys. Okay, you may check down. So first we will see the advertisement and the teaching post, and then we will go to the eligibility criteria. Right. So click on this one, and then you will be directed to this PDF. So which mentions what are the different subjects and how many vacancies are there as per the caste category. All these things you can check down. And this notification released on the 25th September 2021, and the last date for the submission of online application form is 18th October 2021. And the applications through online are invited from the eligible candidates for the direct recruitment as per the university statute or the UP government orders, UGC and ACT norms for the vacant teaching positions in the various teaching departments. And the duly filled online downloaded application form along with all the documents must reach to the office of registrar VBS Purvanchal University through the register or the speed post on or before 27th October 2021. So for online application there is one last date, and for sending the hard copy also there is one last date. Okay, so please be careful about these things. For online application the last date is 18th October, for hard copy the last date is 27th October. And coming to the subjects as well as the designation wise, here the vacancies and the caste category wise the designations are mentioned here, so you may check down. And while coming to the subjects here, MBA, MHRD, Computer Science Engineering, Electrical Engineering, Electronics and Communications, Mechanical, MCA, Humanities, MBA, MFC and MCJ, MAP, Biotechnology, Chemistry, Mathematics, Earth and Planetary Science, Renewable Energy. So these are the different departments from where the vacancies are announced here. And coming to the assistant professor, it is a level 10 category, and the rationalized entry pay is the 57,700 rupees per month. Okay, and yeah, so very hardly few vacancies are there, so you please check down, guys. And while coming to the eligibility criteria from this university, for the assistant professor of the humanities, social sciences and the sciences, master's degree with 55% of marks, along with that one the UGC NET or SLET or SET or CSI or NET must be there. If the candidates are having the PhD as per the 2009, prior to July 11 2009, these candidates are exempted from the NET, SLET or SET qualification. And coming to the associate and professor category, PhD is mandatory with some teaching experience. And coming to the assistant professor for the disciplines of engineering, technology, management, computer applications, only PG is enough. Okay, post graduation is enough. Here no need of the PhD or the UGC NET qualification. Okay, so these are the things, guys, and I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So if you want to apply online here, here you have to first of all log in, guys, or else if you are a new user you have to register first. Okay, new registration here. Okay, so here the steps are also given here: new registrations and then login, academic qualification details, teaching experience, publication details, score or upload document summary printout and final printout, and send the hard copy on or before 27 October 2021. Okay, these are the details, and I will provide this link in the description box of this video. To get the accurate and more details, you may visit this one. And coming to the next state university is the Women's University. So that is the Diamond Harbour Women's University. Fine. So here the employment notification is released. And coming to the professor academic level 14 and associate professor academic level 13A and assistant professor academic level 10, that is 57,700 rupees basic plus admissible allowances also will be provided. And so here the subjects are philosophy, Sanskrit and physics. Only 3 subjects are there, and out of these 3, assistant professor under the OBC category only 1 vacancy is there, that is the philosophy. Okay, so you may check down guys. And the qualifications as per the UGC. Okay, for the assistant professor, post graduation in the concerned department with 55% of marks, along with that one the UGC NET or national eligibility test qualification must be there. Okay, so these are the qualifications regarding this one. And coming to the few general rules and instructions are also provided here. So if you want to apply this one, you have to visit the official website of this college guys. And here the application fee is also provided here for assistant professor of 500 rupees for the general category and 250 rupees for the reserved category. Fine. So these are all the details regarding this recruitment notification. And coming to the complete applications in the prescribed forms along with the photocopies of 2 sets of all credentials and documents must reach the office of the registrar, Diamond Harbour Women's University, okay, Sarisha South 24 West Bengal, by 8th October 2021. So here the last date for sending the hard copies is the 8th October 2021. And I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So to get the accurate and more details, once visit the official website of this university. Fine. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those departments. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, please mention your subjects in the comment section. And if I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. And to get my next video as a notification, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. So if you are interested, you may continue this video, or else you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the national eligibility test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course including the free online classes also guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET, means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses guys. Okay. And from each and every course, you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free guys, that anybody can able to access this one, and just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with the doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscription. Okay.